Hi everyone, welcome to Ritin Spot on YouTube channel. Now let's see about Illustrator. In this we will see some tools like Selection Tool, Direct Selection Tool, Magic Wand Tool and Lasso Tool. We will see one by one. First we will go for the Selection Tool. This is a Selection Tool. Here we have a Direct Selection. Next it is Magic Wand. Next it is Lasso Tool. First what we have to do? First we have to make some object. I will go here. I am taking rectangle tool. Through this I am going to make a square. You can make any shapes also. If you want, you can take a star, you can make it. I am making the star like this. See here, now we have this square and star. If I want to select the star, I will take the selection tool, just I will click on this. I can select the star. I want to select the square, just I will click on this. It will be selected because of this selection tool. Now make a square like this through this rectangle tool. Now go and take this direct selection tool. Now take this direct selection tool. Here just click and drag, then you adjust it how you want it. I want to enlarge it, so I am doing like this. This side also just select it, little enlarge it. Then now what you have to do? Here I want to take it inside. So just select and keep it inside. So this is the way, what are the shape you want, you can make it. I am keeping like this. Next what I have to do? Just I will go to this object. Here lock selection is there, I will do this. Next take this pencil tool, then make like this. Here stroke it is there, little you make it bigger, how you want it. Now keep like this. If you want, you can smooth it also. You can use the smooth tool, little you can adjust it how you want it. Then here also you can use this direct selection tool. Just keep like this. Now go to this object, unlock on. Here we have an effect. Go to this 3D, then just extrude it. So here you can adjust it everything. But I want like this, so I will keep it as it is. Now again just go for this lock selection. Select this one, go to this direct selection tool, then just adjust it how you want it. Okay, now we made a bag through this direct selection tool. So this is the way you have to use this direct selection tool. Now you got it how to use the selection tool and direct selection tool. Next we will go for this magic wand tool. So for that also, first what you have to do, you have to make some object. This time I will take it circle. I will take some color for the circle first. Press Alt, then you take a copies. Now we have a copy like this. I am selecting the middle one. I am going to change color of the circle. It's coming like this. Now what I will do, I will take this magic wand. Are you seeing now my selection, it is in pink. Now I am going to select the circle. Automatically the same color where it is present, it will be selected. So for this purpose only we are using this magic wand tool. So where and all same color it is present, automatically it will select it. So for those purpose we can use this magic wand tool. Next we are going to see about lasso tool. Now keep the same object. What I want it means, if I select, are you seeing everything is selected? I want to select only the green color object. I don't want to select this pink one. So those cases what you have to do, we have to go for this lasso tool. Are you seeing now only green color it is selected. It's not selecting this pink. So for that purpose, we'll go for this lasso tool. I think now you understood how to use this selection tool, direct selection tool, magic wand and lasso tool. If this video it is very informative and useful, please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.